guys, it's Akasha Wolf, and today's simple spell is a lucky stone. This stone you can keep with you whenever you need a little luck. What you will need is a stone. For today's spell, I'm going to be using jade because it's great for luck and money. But if you don't have jade, you can actually go outside and look for a stone that catches your eye and make that your lucky stone. We also have salt, chamomile, and honey. Chamomile is great for manifesting luck, and the honey is to help us sweet talk the stone. We're going to use salt to purify our stone. Place the stone in the salt and use your dominant hand and hold it over the stone. And you want to visualize white light, just charging and purifying the stone. Now once you start to feel a little bit of a tingle or you feel like it's ready, then you're able to pull out the stone. Next, you want to sweet talk your stone. Basically, you're directing the energy and pulling the energy from the stone. My grandmother always said that stones have life. They have a form of life and energy. And one of the first things she had me do was feel the heartbeat of a stone. With sweet talking the stone, you're asking it to use its power for the purpose that you're asking it for. So place the honey on your tongue and then put the chamomile on top. After you've applied the honey and chamomile to your tongue, you need to sweet talk your stone and throw it in the air 3 times. I am fast, I am smart, I am lucky. If you have something coming up and you need a little luck, you can repeat that ritual. I'm smart, I'm fast, I'm lucky. I hope this stone brings a little luck in your life. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye and blessed be. We have other simple spells including our Success Amulet, Courage Elixir, and Money Talisman.